Welcome to this Stack Python tutorial. Today we'll explore how to convert strings into lists, a fundamental technique for processing and manipulating text data. By the end of this video, you'll learn multiple methods to achieve this, and you'll be able to handle strings like a pro. Let's get started. The split method is the simplest way to convert a string into a list. It splits a string into a list of substrings based on a specified delimiter. By default, it uses whitespace as the delimiter. Let's see this in action. Here we define a string variable named text. It contains the sentence "Python is versatile" with words separated by spaces. Now we'll split this string into individual words. Using the split method, the string is divided into substrings wherever there's a space. Let's print the result to see the list. The output shows the list containing the words Python, is, and versatile, each in single quotes. Each word in the string is now a separate element in the list. This method is ideal for splitting sentences into words. If you want to break a string into its individual characters, the list function is the simplest approach. Let's create a string variable and convert it into a list of characters. We've created a string variable text containing the word Python. To break it down into characters, we'll pass it to the list function. The list function converts each character in the string into an element of the list. The output is a list containing the letters P, Y, T, H, O, and N, each in single quotes. Another way to convert a string into a list of characters is by using a list comprehension. This method is concise and gives you more flexibility for additional operations. Let's see how it works. Here we iterate over each character in the string text using a for loop inside square brackets. Each character is added to the list char list. Let's print the result. The output, a list containing the letters L, E, A, R, N, I, N, and G, each in single quotes. List comprehensions are efficient and allow for customization, such as filtering or modifying characters during the conversion. When working with strings containing elements separated by commas, the split method can be customized to use the comma as a delimiter. Let's try this. We define a string variable CSV text containing 3 fruits separated by commas. Now we'll use split with an argument comma to break it into a list. The output is a list containing the words apple, banana, and cherry, each in single quotes. This method is perfect for handling CSV data or other comma-separated formats. When working with strings of numbers separated by spaces, you can convert them into a list of integers. Let's start by creating a string of numbers. Here we define a string variable called numbers, which contains the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 separated by spaces. Now we'll split this string into individual elements. The split method divides the string into a list of substrings based on spaces, creating a list where each element is a string like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, each enclosed in single quotes. But these elements are still strings. To convert them into integers, we use the map function, which applies a specified function, in this case into each element of the list. Here we wrap the map function in a list function to explicitly create a list of integers. The map of int part converts each string element into an integer. Now the string has been successfully converted into the list of integers, open square bracket, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, close square bracket. This method is both concise and efficient for handling numeric data in strings. Sometimes you might encounter strings that look like lists, such as a string with A, B, and C inside square brackets. These strings can be converted into actual Python lists using the AST module's literal eval function. Here we import the AST module and use literal eval to safely evaluate the string as a Python expression. Let's print the result. The output is a list with strings A, B, and C. In this tutorial, we covered various methods to convert strings into lists in Python, including split, list comprehensions, and ast.literal_eval. Each method is suited for different scenarios, so practice using them to strengthen your Python skills. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and explore the DelphStack channel for more Python tutorials.